Hello everyone, welcome back to VlogTube. Right now we are at one of my friend's garage. तो आज हम करेंगे हेडलाइट चेंज फॉर इंटरसेप्टर। साथ ही में इसमें चेंज होगा हज़ार्ड लाइट का किट इसमें फिट होगा। साथ ही में वी विल चेंज इंडिकेटर के बल्ब और विथ अ न्यू हेडलाइट। So we will check out the kit.
And then you'll die.
So here we have 4 LED bulbs for indicators including hazard unit, and here's the LED headlight. Looks really good.
बैठेगा नया हेडलाइट।
This is the Novatronics hazard unit, right? Unlike your other brands where you need an additional switch, this will work with your existing switch. In order to activate, all you need to do is press the indicator right, left and then center. And then it has got 22 different indicator modes. So you can change those modes by either pressing left and center or right or center. You can bring going forward or backward. When you want to cancel it, press any indicator, let it go for 3 seconds and then hit the center button. It will turn it off.
Okay.
Also, during your operation, while the hazard light is on, if you have to give an indication to either left or right, just use normally. It will bring back.
Right. Okay.
Okay?
So what is the name you said?
Novatronics.
Novatronics.
I used this on Kawasaki. It worked brilliantly. The best part is it doesn't give me any additional switch.
Okay.
So looking from outside, you'll not see any additional switch on your bike. So it looks neat.
Correct. So we have changed the old bulb from indicator and now we are replacing with the
Tube light
LED one.
producing a
So we are done with the installation. We have changed the light. Both the indicators bulb. And here is the new effect. Indicator लगाओ. Now hazard. From back side. Also we have changed this switch. इसमें parking light भी रहेगा, so we can switch off. So these are the changes we have made today. तो शंका के बाइक का हेडलाइट चेंज करने के बाद मैंने नकल गार्ड भी इंस्टॉल करा है। सो नाउ इट लुक्स लाइक दिस। सो मैंने इसको कुछ वीडियो नहीं बनाया क्योंकि इट्स प्रीटी सिंपल। यहाँ पे बस मुझे इसके साथ जो डिफ़ॉल्ट स्क्रू आए थे वो यहाँ पे फिट करने पड़े। यहाँ पे एक एक्सटेंडर लगाना पड़ा, दोनों तरफ एक्सटेंडर दोनों तरफ मैंने एक्सटेंडर लगाने के बाद ये कुछ इस तरह से दिख रहा है। यहाँ पे सारे नट फिट हो गए। नाउ इट लुक्स लाइक दिस। So if you like this video, please like, share, comment and please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Take care.